Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Today's video I'm going to do this tile. It's 5 by 5. I think I picked these up at a pack of 5 in the dollar store. They're pretty thick. I'm going to do some purple and orange bloom on here. So I'm just going to pour down some Glidden Premium. It's mixed with some green mist tint that I bought in Eggshell also. Okay. I'm going to try and get some negative space today, but I don't seem to have luck with that. I always put down too much paint, I guess. All right. Put some gold. I'm going to try not to put too much. Arteza Royal Purple. I guess I need to make some more of this one. Some Meaden Apricot Orange. These Meaden paints are fluid paints. There's a discount code in my video for under my video for these. Dioxazine Purple by Liquitex Basics. Lavender Frost by JoSonja. And some this is Meaden Wine Red with a little bit of orange in it. I'll get my black cell activator. Where's the purple? Yeah, I don't think there's going to be any negative space on this one, but I think I'm modifying it. I'll let the middle relax a bit and come in. recipes are in the description under the video. There's also discount codes under there for a few different products. Lowly Leffy mats. And they have other things on their website. Check it out. Mixing cups, spoons, different things that you need for your paint pouring. Meaden paints, Meaden paint products. Sheleeart bloom technique tutorial for a discount. There's a discount code for 15% off. Sorry about that noise. My husband is outside building a deck. Something in there. I guess if I put less pillow down too. Air bubbles. Spin it again. Let me push it. See. Oh, it looks pretty centered. Colors are really pretty. All right, one more spin. Okay, that is really pretty. Now, let's just make sure it's not moving. It's barely. I might just give it one more. All right. I think we're good. That's very pretty. And I don't have any more coasters or I'd make another one. I have to get some more. Thanks for watching. I'll put the dried result at the end of the video. Have a good day. Hi everyone. Here's my dried tile. Dried really nice. Love these colors together. Oops. Shiny lavender frost is really pretty. It's a metallic. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.